Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Barbara and this is my home sweet home. Today I'm sharing a ride-on toy my grandson still reached for years later, and that's saying something. It's the XJD 6-volt electric wiggle car, and it's a really fun 2-in-1. You can use it in electric mode or manual mode. Here's what makes it different and what to know before you buy it. First, it has 2 riding modes. When you turn it on and your little one presses the pedal, it goes into electric mode. Easy, smooth, and they feel so big kid driving it. When they release the pedal, it switches to manual mode, where they wiggle and twist and steering the wheel to glide. I actually love that part because it keeps them moving and using their bodies instead of just sitting there. Second, the wheels. They're PU wheels, so they roll quietly, absorb a little shock, and they don't scratch up the floors. And yes, it can be an indoor toy if you've got the extra space. And the light up wheels, well, they're such a cool factor, especially in the evening. My grandsons thought that was the best part. Safety-wise, it's designed with an anti-rollover structure and extra stability up front, which helps it feel more secure for toddlers. Quick tip before the first use, you do need to connect the bottom power connection cable, otherwise it won't charge or run properly. Once that's done, it's been a solid, durable toy in our house. Home sweet home tip. Give them a driving path indoors down the hallway and back, and it turns into the easiest little activity. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.